Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for this video, I'm going to be going over my past stocks and how they did. Please leave a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of this video and how I can improve my videos. So first off, we have Arkimoto FUV, and this stock went up 10.83%, but then went back down 20.93%. So it is a bummer, but if you got out soon enough, you would have made a profit. Next, we have Graph Industrial Corp, or GRAF. So I recommended this on Saturday, July 5th, and it went down by 15.4%, but then it went back up by 20.72%, and then it dropped down back again by 12.19%. So, however, if you did look at the pattern, you would have seen that there's a reoccurring pattern of going up for 2 or 3 days, then dropping for 2 days, and then coming back up. So we could see another rise in the stock price tomorrow, but if you did get in and out at the right time, you would have made 20.72%. Next, we have Blink Charging, or BLNK, on the NASDAQ, and this one went down by 30%. There was no really upside to it, except that tiny little up, but still, this was a bad suggestion on my part, and I'm sorry about that. So next, let's get into the winners. So Sorrento Therapeutics, or SRNE, this one went up by 10.74%. So that's pretty good, and it didn't really go down except one time, but it wasn't down by much. Next, we have Tesla. Now this one went up by 10.59%. So it did pretty good on this list compared to the others. Next, we have NIO, Neo Inc. Now, I recommended this one July 6th, and this is the biggest winner overall by going up by 22.42%. Now, that's a crazy gain. If you had invested $100, you would have gotten back $22. That's pretty great. So then, also in the EV stocks video, I recommended these 5 ETFs. So going over these were all winners. None of them went down. The lowest gain was DRIV, which was a 1.43% gain, but it's still positive, and the highest was QCLN, which was 7.05%. And the reason I recommended these is, as you can see, some electric stocks went up, while other electric car stocks went down. So this is why ETFs are so good, because overall you're still coming out on profit with less risk. So to summarize this, we had 8 winners and 3 losers. Now FUV and GRAF, even though you could have made a profit on them, I'm still going to count them as losers, because if you look at when I recommend them to now, they did lose on average 17.56%, and the winners were 7.57% average increase. But however, this is really low, because keep in mind the ETFs, which weren't necessarily supposed to be big winners, but mostly risk management, where they could help balance out that risk. But we still had 8 winners and 3 losers, which is about 72.73% good recommendations. Now I'm happy about that, because a 72% success rate is pretty good. That means that the majority of the stocks I recommended were winners indeed. But however, this is not supposed to be 100%, because as I say, it's impossible to predict the stock market. It can go up or down. Even if there's a positive catalyst, it could still go down. So it's on your part to do your own research, and I'm not a financial advisor, because sometimes I do miss some things, and it's very possible that I could miss some things. So that's why you always want to go out and do your own research. But overall, I am pretty happy. I'm going to shoot for a higher success rate. But yeah, this week was a 72% success rate on my part. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm, share, comment down below if you invest in any of these, and please subscribe for more recommendations.